Hello. This tutorial will explain how you can create and format text in glowtext.com and then insert it into your Google Sites webpage. So here I have my Google Sites webpage that I want to insert the text into. The first thing that I'm going to do is go to the glowtext.com website. So I just simply type in glowtxt.com into the web browser address bar. The next thing that I want to do once I'm at the web page is go over to this section of the web page here and type in the text that I want. So for this example, I will type in the text Animal Planet. If I then click Make Text, there we go, there's my text in the default font. I can change the font by clicking on this drop-down menu. Okay, there's lots of different fonts to choose from, and also if you scroll down the web page there are some examples for you to see as well. Okay, let's choose the Cupcake font for this example. There we go. I can also change the color of the font. I've got some colors to choose from here. Okay, so if I click on the green, there we go, and I can click on this one as well. So it's a good idea to have a look at the different colors that you can choose. I can also add animation to the font. At the moment we see that there is no or none animation. I could change it to pulse. Or I could change it to sweep. I could also change the glow effect. At the moment I have it as super. If I change that to outline, we see that it takes a little bit of the glow off, and if I put no glow effect at all on, we will see the effect that that has. Makes it a little bit easier to read. I can also change the size of the font, but of course don't forget that you can also do this once you're in your Google Sites webpage. So I'll make it as big as possible now. There we go. Okay, so I've created and I've formatted the text that I want. The next thing that I need to do is insert it into my Google Sites webpage. One of the main errors that a lot of people make is to simply right click and go to copy and then paste it into the Google Sites webpage. Unfortunately, if you do this, you'll find that it might work the first time you do it, but when you go out of your web page and come back, the text will not appear. So, to insert the text correctly, what I'm going to do is click on Get Web Code, which brings up this website here. I'm then going to go to the bit where it says Direct Link. I'm going to select the text there. I'm going to copy that text. Now I go back to my web page. I click on the Edit Page button. And now I can go to Insert Image. Then if I click on Web Address, I can then paste that image URL that I copied before from the direct link into this section. There is my text. And if I click OK, my text appears. I can now change the size like I mentioned before. I can make it smaller, medium, large in my Google Sites webpage. I can also align it to the center. Okay, and that is the end of this tutorial.